Welcome to this step-by-step guide on scheduling and preparing for your exam with TRECCERT. This tutorial is designed to ensure a smooth experience from accessing your credentials to being fully prepared on exam day. Follow along as we walk you through each stage of the process to help you succeed. Your journey to scheduling the exam begins by reading through your exam credentials and understanding what steps to take next. Open the email containing your exam details and carefully review the instructions. Attached, you can find two important guides which will help you navigate the examination and certification process. After you have carefully reviewed the steps, click the provided link to navigate to the test.com platform. In test.com, make sure to enter the username and password which were provided in order to successfully access your examination account. Once you have accessed your test.com account, the next steps include updating the account settings. After logging in, you will be required to update your password for security purposes. And the next step is to provide your residence address. This information is required for exam scheduling purposes. After updating the required settings, we can now begin the exam scheduling process. Once you've reviewed the instructions provided on the Take a Test homepage, click the Open Proctoring Portal button to access the proctoring platform. You will then be requested to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and select whether you are an EU citizen. Please keep in mind that now the proctor will be connected, you will be prompted to make the room checks under their supervision. You will have access to a chat where you can communicate with them directly. Before scheduling, make sure to adjust the platform's time zone to match your current location. Once everything is set, choose a date and time for your exam from the available slots and finalize the scheduling process. Before the exam, make sure you save the test.com link and your credentials in your browser. Test your equipment to ensure they comply with the ProctorU requirements. Download and install the Guardian browser. Find a private, well-lit, and distraction-free area to take your exam in. Finally, clear your workspace of unpermitted items, secondary monitors, and extra devices. After completing the checklist, there's a few minor tasks left before you can begin your exam. As the countdown timer ticks away, anticipation builds. When the countdown timer reaches 0, the Start Session button appears. You'll then be prompted to either open or download the Guardian browser. Inside the Guardian browser, you'll be prompted to download the Proctor Chat application and possibly wait for your proctor to connect. You will also be prompted to complete the exam pre-checks, such as agreeing to the terms of use, reviewing the allowed resources, and sharing access to your webcam, microphone, and screen. Click Begin Recording to initiate the proctoring process, where you should follow these additional tasks for a smooth proctoring process. Before joining, ensure you take a selfie using your laptop screen. Next up, have your ID ready for use and take a photo of it using your laptop. After taking a picture of your ID, make sure you take some time to agree to the exam rules. Scan the room for any unpermitted devices using your phone camera or a mirror to show all four corners of your workspace, including your desk. And lastly, perform a personal check showing your ears and hands to confirm you are not wearing any watches or earpieces for the exam process to be proctored correctly. Once all system and environment checks are completed, your proctor will connect with you via chat. They will request remote control of your computer, which allows them to securely verify your exam settings and ensure a fair testing environment. Don't worry, you'll see a notification asking for permission before they proceed, and it will only be for exam-taking purposes. After the proctor finishes their final checks, you can continue with the exam. And remember, the proctor will monitor your session for the duration of the test to provide assistance if needed. You are now ready and equipped to start your exam. Good luck!